getting the rumblies. Need me to make you something to eat, Mario? Wait, you'll make something for me to eat? Yeah, Mario, I cook stuff. Oh, okay. Yeah, sure, you can make me something. What do you want? Anything really. I'm just kind of hungry, so yeah, anything really. On it, Mario. Let me make something good. Hey guys, cooking with Chef Luigi here. This is gonna be a short video, by the way. It's not a lot of stuff. So the first thing you're gonna need is some milk. Screw the top off. Then you're going to need a glass of water. Just a glass. And pour it in. Then what you're gonna do, get the top, screw it on. Then the next thing you're gonna get is you're gonna get some chocolate milk. Well, the powdery chocolate stuff. Then you're going to get a spoon. Alright, I'm just gonna not talk and just keep doing it. Alright, open it. Can I see the reflection? Oh, hold on. I got a little bit of chocolate on me. That's good. I gotta get that. Hold on, let me get it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is pour it in. Then you're gonna get just another one and splash it in. Then what you're gonna do, push this back and mix. Then you're gonna get another quick spoon and you're gonna just plop it right in there. Stir it right up. Put the spoon in there. Shake yourself off like shake it off, woo woo. Then you're gonna get some cake. No, first you're gonna get another plate. Oh, what's the first plate actually? Here you go. Yeah, plop that there and cut the cake. Then get the fork, stab it in there, and then go call your friend your brother. Mario! Whoa, Luigi, this looks good. Yeah, Mario, some cake. Alright, I'm gonna eat it.